Selection coming, Dr. Gunupur, Assistant Professor, Learning International Speaker, Dr. Dr. Republic of Korea. So in this symposium, online speaking for physical present our speakers, I also welcome Dr. Professor and all the faculty members of GIET universities, media person, students. I welcome you to this symposium. The Anusandhan National Research Foundation (NRF), which provides this grant to a symposium for the symposium, Science and Engineering Research Lab. Now it is Anusandhan National Research Foundation. It's research, innovation, and entrepreneurship in the fields of natural science, including mathematical science, engineering and technology, environmental and science, health and agriculture, scientific and technological interfaces of humanities and social science. It will honors in research and scientific and technological excellence. And the education on Indian functional materials and sustainable society application is to raise awareness of developing materials for societal benefit and highlight the role of research in engineering and applied sciences in improving the community. This event will help the scientific community stay updated on the latest development in the research. This is encompasses science in and practical applications. It is possible theoretical and experimental in applications. Actually, it focuses on energy sector applications, promoting sustainable growth, efficiency, and sustainable development. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir, for your lovely words. At the heart of any successful endeavor is effective leadership, which focuses on nurturing the well-being of team members. Dr. Pratibha Madam's dedication and expertise have been instrumental in shaping our department's path, steering it towards excellence and innovation. Her visionary approach and unwavering commitment to excellence have set a gold standard for us all. Her commitment to collaboration and has enriched our community, inspiring everyone around her. Her remarkable ability to lead with empathy and insight has truly made her a beacon of inspiration and a driving force behind our collective success. It fills me with immense joy to extend a warm invitation to Dr. Pratibha Madam, the Symposium Chair of ISEFMSSA 2025 and Head of the Basic Science and Humanities, to deliver the welcome address. Please, ma'am. Hello. All of the Symposium, and head Friends. I Thank you so much, ma'am. Your address was really meaningful. Dr. E. Sarmata is a parent of academic excellence, tirelessly dedicating himself to the pursuit of knowledge and the advancement of education. His commitment to foster intellectual growth within our organization has been unparalleled. With a visionary approach, he continuously endeavors to elevate the standard of education, ensuring that GIET University remains at the forefront of academic innovation. His efforts continue to inspire all members of GIT community, creating a legacy of educational distinction and organizational advancement. It is my privilege to invite Dr. A. Vinal Sarma, sir, Vice Chancellor, GIT University, to address the gathering. Please, sir.
Yeah, thank you, madam. Honorable Vice President, sir. Today's chief guest, Dr. Saroj Kumar, sir. Registrar, sir. Distinguished guests, head of the departments, professors, deans, and my dear students. At the outset, we are very thankful for the organizing team for having selected for today's international symposium a topic called Functional Materials for Sustainable Societal Applications. This is a very vast domain. So what is that This signifies for today's concept. Let us having something in my case, what I have taken connection with the cement industry. I have cement products. I was responsible in 2022. The it was subject to training. Restrictions were very high. The raw it was the cement was the basic raw material. Five Russia and Poland. High quality fibers, asbestos fibers. What we are using? Pure. My days he used to tell me I felt there was no rejection in it. Suppose so because rejections were that is 50% rejections. And our financial say invention. Please understand. 100% pure, but rejections were very high. And saying in the parliament during his exemption for those industries. I took up that. You know, myself and my team substitute. So we another position. Please know. Position of the oxides and the oxides cement. What was only the setting my R&D team. But so for every branch of the mathematics, I just consumption. And just on it. And just the pixel, the consumption, the and the properties as recorded in the property is similar. There was no end property, but it was the consumption of cement by 3 kg. Another 2 kgs. Now I come down to 45 and compare the end results. The end results again proved to be same. Then again, we cross-checked with the regulatory authorities. They told us, as of now, we are permitted to go up to 5 kg. It is about 2% mixture. So, so you just consumption is added to the exchequer. On the other, which is to the environment. And to the applications. And an engineer. So to see the numerous applications. So I guess this is a invention. So for sustainable applications in this like society problems. Just a food number of here landing gears. So so that's investigate what the society is so this I sustainable societal applications. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Your words have truly enriched the gathering. It is with great honor and gratitude that I welcome our esteemed Pro-Chancellor, Dr. L.M. Patnaik, sir, who has joined us online for this special occasion. He is a distinguished academician, an eminent researcher, and a visionary leader whose contributions have significantly shaped the academic and research landscape of GIET University. His relentless dedication to fostering innovation, promoting quality education, and encouraging research driven growth has made GIET University a beacon of excellence. With numerous research scholars, publications to his credit, and active involvement in various academic initiatives, his contributions to academia are unparalleled. His efforts have not only elevated the university's reputation, but also have inspired students and faculty members to pursue excellence in their respective fields. Sir, it is indeed a privilege to have you with us today. On behalf of everyone present, I kindly invite you to address the gathering. Please, sir.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yeah, audible.
Yeah,
Your
I
voice
wanted
is
to
also
test
clear,
it.
sir.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Vice President, Professor Dr. Chandra Panda, Director General, Professor Jagdish Panda, other friends. Let me at the outset start my very brief talk with my warmest greetings and wishes for a happy new year to all of you, your dear ones and family members. I would like to profusely thank the organizers for inviting me to be here this morning online. I was waiting for quite some time. I will quickly finish my talk, then I will rush for a class. I have to teach a class. From 10 o'clock, I postponed to 10:45. The topic of the conference and the symposium is quite interesting. As most of you know, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi made a statement that the earth has given enough for everyone's need, but not for everyone's greed. Sustainable development has something to do with that. Our greed for more and more creates this problem. The UN Charter in 2015 talked about the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, adopted by all UN members states in 2025 to provide a blueprint for peace and prosperity for people. So simply speaking, it ensures our great grandchildren that they get everything equal or better than what we are getting, whether it is clean air, clean water, living, food, shelter, whatever it may be. So it is our responsibility to ensure that we guarantee a sustainable development. I am happy to know that the GIET University and the Bhadrak College have joined hands to have this symposium on a topic of great interest, because materials are very important these days. They play a very important role. And this is a topic of great interdisciplinary interest. If you look at the current developments, in recent years, there has been an increasing global focus on sustainability and the urgent need to transition towards environmental practices in various industries. Engineering as a key sector driving innovation and development plays a crucial role in shaping a sustainable future. Sustainable materials encompass a wide range of materials and technologies that minimize environmental impact while maintaining or even improving performance. The exploration and development of environmental friendly materials involves a wide array of strategies ranging from bio-based and recycled materials to those designed for improved end of life management. Because man-made materials such as concrete, glass, paper, plastics, and rubbers are man-made polymers. Biopolymers are used in edible films, emulsions, packing materials in food industries, during transport materials, medical implanted organs, wound healing, tissue scaffolding, dressing, large number of applications. So extensive studies delve into life cycles of these sustainable materials, yielding methodologies, tools, and practical case studies that rigorously assess their environmental impact and resource consumption. Innovative techniques are important in sustainable material processing, with a focus on energy efficient manufacturing, waste reduction, pollution prevention, not only in improving the environmental aspect of material production, but also by enhancing sustainability across industries. These sustainable material advancements extend to structural applications, exemplified by eco-friendly high-performance concrete, sustainable metals, composites, and polymers, striking a balance between impressive strength to weight ratio and environmental concentration. Renewable energy technologies greatly benefit from these materials, powering components in solar panels, wind turbines, energy storage, and fuel cells, and ultimately boosting efficiency and promoting cleaner energy resources. Sustainable materials are also transforming transportation through lightweight materials, electric components, and alternative fuels, significantly reducing the sector's environmental impact. Additionally, in water treatment, tailored sustainable material address water scarcity and pollution challenges, significantly enhancing the environmental performance of vital water resource systems. The successful integration of these sustainable materials into engineering projects serve as a showcase of their potential providing valuable insights into their benefits, challenges, and real-world applications. As industries increasingly prioritize sustainability, the continuous exploration and integration of such materials are vital for shaping an eco-conscious future. Is it clear? Am I audible?
Yeah, audible.
Audible, yes, because you don't know what is happening to network and bandwidth. The earlier speakers I was not able to hear. At present, there is an increased interest in replacing common engineering materials with sustainable materials due to the environmental challenges that our planet is expected to. So essentially, we are trying to get more from less for more people. These challenges encountered due to the use of common engineering materials include, but are not limited to, changes in the climatic conditions, a decrease in available resources, and an increase in pollution. There has been a significant increase in the use of sustainable materials in the construction industries as it poses a significant impact on the environment. For example, concrete. Studies have been performed to develop sustainable concrete materials to improve thermal insulation properties, and these materials are considered to be environmentally friendly and sustainable. Additionally, biopolymers are being considered as a replacement for polymers. These polymers are biodegradable and are considered to be sustainable materials in many engineering applications. Moreover, biopolymers obtained naturally have been gaining importance recently as they exist in abundance and are available from natural sources, which minimizes the impact on the environment and lower costs. It is well known that materials play a significantly critical role throughout their lifespan in any product. However, their production poses several challenges. The traditional manufacturing processes are responsible for increasing carbon emissions, leading to a higher global warming concern. We see that in cement, Portland cement manufacturing industries. The presence of several studies in the literature related to the selection of materials highlights the important challenges involved with proper selection of materials. Currently, one of the most formidable challenges confronting humanity is the issue of global energy sustainability for the future. Concerns surrounding humanity in the issue of global energy sustainability. Concerns surrounding our environment, the depletion of finite natural resources, challenges in energy storage, our environmental hazards, and the specter of natural disasters have collectively intensified our focus on the remarkable potential of sustainable energy materials. This pertains to their development, production, distribution, and packaging. As the demand for energy continues to surge, there is a pressing need to minimize adverse environmental effect while optimizing the utilization of thermal, electrical, optical, chemical energy inherent in these sustainable energy materials. Extensive research is being carried out in lithium ion to develop lithium ion batteries as an energy storage device. In addition, in recent studies, lithium-ion batteries have proven to be effective energy storage solutions for portable electronic devices and as energy sources for electric vehicles. My specific area of interest being computer science and engineering and AI, I find that computational material science and application of AI in machine learning is tremendous in sustainable material development. AI's potential to improve sustainability. AI facilitates more effective resource management, waste reduction, production process optimization, and support for the development of sustainable materials. AI and machine learning will play a very significant role in the design, development of and testing of sustainable materials. AI helps make concrete structures stronger, longer lasting. With the help of machine learning and data analytics, engineers can design better concrete mixes, detect potential problems, and assess structural damage. Materials design requires huge resources in analyzing and understanding the material's behavior, which is supported widely these days by machine learning applications and big data science. For instance, AI-powered drones are being used for site surveying and progress monitoring. These drones can quite quickly and accurately capture data allowing stakeholders to identify potential issues and make informal decisions in real time. The concrete outlay, most of the greenhouse emissions from concrete come from production of Portland cement, which requires high heat and releases carbon dioxide directly into the air. Concrete of tomorrow, at each stage of cement and concrete production, advances in ingredients, energy supplies, and uses of concrete promise to reduce waste and pollution. Computational material science involves the application of computers to understanding and predicting structure and properties of materials and their relationship to processing conditions based on fundamental physics, chemistry, and mechanics. Computer modeling and simulation allows one to be electronic and atomic to study electronic and atomic interactions that determine the relative stability. So biodegradable capability is essentially being decomposed by bacteria or other living organisms, thereby avoiding pollution. So all the 17 SDGs which the UN talks about, the computational material science, sustainable material development, try to address one or some of these issues. I find that this symposium is addressing a topic of great current interest. I wish the delegates a wonderful time. I'm sure they will carry pleasant memories of the campus. As a pro-chancellor, it is my great pleasure to participate online. You will have to kindly excuse me. I will log out because I have to take a class sharp at 10:30. Thank you. Wish you all the best. Namaskar.
Thank you so much, sir, for your golden words. Thank you so much, sir. Dr. Chandradesh Pandar sir is a visionary behind our university's academic achievements. His selfless efforts have made him a beacon of hope, positively transforming countless lives and demonstrating an unwavering commitment to uplift the human spirit and fostering a compassionate society. He is the force propelling our academic successes and a Steve Gandhi group of institutions. Known as a friend of common man, he is dedicated to serve those in need, embodying the true spirit of altruism and community service. His remarkable ability to connect with individuals from all walks of life and his genuine passion for education had solidified his legacy as a true champion of progress and human dignity. It is with great respect and anticipation that I extend an earnest invitation to the Honorable Vice President of GIET University, Dr. Chandradesh Pandar sir, to share his invaluable insights and his golden words with us. Please, sir.
ନାଇଁ ସବୁ କଣ ହଁ It's been delegates, sponsors, and
of all the schools, my teacher friends and student friends. The last but not least is members from the press media and print media. Really, the topic chosen is a vast topic, even though to the end of students, but teachers, until the teachers themselves students to come up and because it is intended not ready. So what particular knowledge. Yes. As a student of economics, I want to tell one thing. What sustainable development? Sustainable things. A student of economics and it is society. Traditional society. Is
Actually, one the father of Humanities. Not sustain sustain spending. Sorry. What's the need of opportunity. And that is the same. But how so success. Some so that it you meant it. Something. Sense. Also,
Speaking ability.
skill.
Into the
So,
thing. Yeah.
my father
It is remember.
likewise. Right. Sense. I understand that possible. Some society has
Development needs.
research, immigration, that's a single अरे
Application because of this
so my sincere Steve, son.
Thank you so much, sir. Your address was really motivating. It is an honor to welcome Dr. Virendra Kumar Gupta, sir, an eminent scientist and technologist who has made remarkable contributions in the field of chemistry and material science by transforming fundamental research into commercially viable technologies. He is currently the Vice President at Polymer Industrial Limited, has a distinguished record of 205 patents, 25 commercialized technologies, 94 peer-reviewed research publications, and over 100 presentations at prestigious conferences. With 40 years of professional experience spanning technology, petrochemical research, technology development, and management, he has played a pivotal role in advancing India's petrochemical and polymer sectors. His notable accolades include Vajpayee Award, PC Award for technological development, and industrial honor for innovation. A fellow of the National Academy of Sciences, India, he continues to guide and inspire future generation as a distinguished visiting professor at Somaya Vidya Vihar University, Mumbai, and in leadership roles at various academic and industrial associations. So joining us virtually today, his presence is a significant privilege for all of us. It is with great pleasure that now I invite our esteemed guest of honor, Dr. Virendra Kumar Gupta, sir, to address the gathering. Please, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay, thank you very much for
Thank you,
your
sir.
introduction.
Thank you,
Good
sir.
morning to everyone, distinguished guests, faculty members, and my dear student. It is an absolute honor for me to present you my thoughts on this international symposium dedicated to a subject that is not only of academic interest but also a pressing need for our society, uh, engineering functional material for sustainable societal application. I would like to give three important messages in my short talk. One is why society is looking for sustainable solutions and where the functional material is stand for sustainable solutions. And the third point, which I want to emphasize, what role we should play in this period of time when society is looking for sustainable solution for quality of life. Let me address first challenge that why society is looking for sustainable solution. If you look at just the population, because uh, in last, uh, if you look at in 1800, our population was close to 1 billion people on this planet Earth. And in 200 years, uh, by 2000, our population has increased to 6 billion people. And we expect today we are 8 billion people on this planet Earth. And we expect by the end of the century, we will be 11 billion people before the population start decreasing. And as all of you know, resources on this planet is limited, but population is growing. And last 200 years, we have seen a exponential growth of population as well as the aspiration of society for a quality of life. Now, when these two things comes, the population and expectation aspirations, definitely sustainability become a major theme for us. And as you know, that always in a society, students of science and engineering always have provided solution since beginning of human era. And now also, when sustainability challenges are coming, we believe that again, the students of science and engineering will play an important role to solve the problem and provide solution to the current 8 billion people which are present today, and in next 60 years or so another 3 billion people will be added on this planet Earth. And that is a need for us to really focus on different sectors which we are looking from sustainability point of view. Now, second point which I want to address, where the science and engineering and functional material plays a role. We all know the transformative power of science and engineering since many decades, that which have solved the problem. If you look that First World War, the Industrial Revolution take place, and that has brought it out the petroleum industries and other industry, which is today the oil sectors. And now, with this kind of challenges, we believe that another revolution, which we are calling a sustainability, is not only a choice, but it is essential for us to solve that. And we believe that the functional material are going to play a very, very important role. Look at today the challenges of energy transition. Now, today, the oil-based resources has certain challenges from the climate point of view for producing the energy, as well as the coal-based system. And that is why there is an energy transition which is taking place by solar energy, wind energy, hydrogen energy based systems. And I think these new transitions, energy transition, will really play a role in the climate neutrality, which is going to provide a sustainable source of energy. If you look at even in automobile sectors and other the growth sector or agriculture sector, functional material will be playing an important role to enhance the performance of end product. And even if you look at the security system, the defense sector, which are emerging now in a much more, particularly in the current time when there is a lot of volatility, lot of security risk, the functional material will play an important role to come. And therefore, we believe that the emerging new designed functional material in these different growth sectors, including the agriculture, transport, energy, defense, will be a pivotal role in coming year. Today, India is emerging as a global leader in science and technology. And we believe the bright minds which are present in this room, they will be the torch bearer for future solution. And I would like that the scientists and technologists should have currently the major principle. One is innovation with a purpose, that one should innovate not for the sake of novelty, but to solve real world problem. Let your work be aligned with societal goals and sustainable development. Second most important thing which I want to give a message, today is a world of interdisciplinary collaboration. Challenge of our time require more than just the engineering solution. It demands the combined forces of biology, chemistry, computational sciences, and others, and break down the silos and embrace the collaboration, because that is going to provide the solutions. And also, the third thing which I want to share is ethics and responsibility. We as a student of science and engineering should also consider environmental, ethical, and social impact of our innovations. And true progress will happen only when the technology uplift humanity without compromising the planet. With this word, I urge everyone to contribute actively whatever the areas are working towards the sustainable solution, so that our next generation, which are going to live for another 100 years or 200 over years on this planet, should have a better life than what we have enjoyed because of our forefathers who have really sustained this kind of life for us. Thank you very much once again, and wish a good wishes for the success of this conference. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your wisdom with us. Your address was really thought-provoking. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
We are deeply honored to welcome the highly distinguished Dr. Saroj Kumar Singh, sir, an eminent scientist and visionary leader in the field of material science. With an illustrious academic journey, earning his MTech and PhD from IIT Kharagpur, and an illustrious career as Chief Scientist and Head of the Advanced Material Technology Department at CSIR IMT Bhubaneswar, Dr. Singh's contributions to advanced material development, especially through cutting-edge thermal plasma technology, have been groundbreaking and widely acclaimed. A prolific researcher, Dr. Singh has over 275 high-impact publications and 19 patents to his credit, showcasing his brilliance and dedication to the scientific advancement. His innovation in advanced ceramics, nanocomposites, and plasma reactors have set new benchmarks in research and technology. Beyond his research, he has been a guiding light for the next generation of scientists, mentoring numerous PhD and postgraduate students with unwavering commitment. His exceptional achievements have earned him numerous prestigious accolades, including the Saman Chandrasekhar Award, Pratibha Samman, Venus International Research Award for Lifetime Achievement. A fellow of the Institution of Engineers and a life member of several premier scientific societies, he continues to influence the global research community as an editorial board member and esteemed reviewer for leading journals. It is my honor to invite the esteemed chief guest of ISEFMSSA 2025, Dr. Saroj Kumar Singh, sir, to share his insights with us. Please, sir.
A dignitary on the dais and off the dais, and the dear faculty members and the students. Very good morning to you all. From the outset, I must thank the organizers, that means Gunupur and the Bhadrak College, for inviting me to this August gathering. I am really honored. I still don't that much to for the same, but and thank you very much for inviting me. To tell about that sustainability materials, this association institute, I have been associated with this institute for the last over a decade. I think we first took some project with this institute, NACO, and that was about this making this waste. Waste means cooling cell waste, which is considered as very waste. It's not utilized for anything. We developed some hybrid product, and again, the hybrid product was used for making some other engineering components like aluminum metal matrix composites. And fortunately, this whatever work we did, it was filed by NALCO as a patent, and subsequently it was granted also. This 2021, the patent was granted, and we had several publications. Now we can see that this is befitting to this seminar theme, engineering materials for sustainable. Then that we have utilized waste to wealth. That is why the sustainable developments are occur. Actually, last night with our library around the campus after dinner, and what is sustainable? People have told. Second thing is environment, and third is societal well-beings. And you know how this is done by this institute, and this great people are here. For them, this institute has come up. So I am Professor Bhadrak for this. So this institute is doing this seminar because they are going for sustainable development. So you have called a scientist for this talk. So I have to tell something. So see this. You can see that there is a bigger problem in the north side. because of this, wet materials, this particularly husk and other things. So that creates a lot of pollution problem, and that is why this materials comes out, and this fume and other things, and this polluted the Delhi atmosphere. This is big news. So what is that? The husk are burned after the cultivation. They are burned. So there is no solution so far. Anyway, we cannot solve the problem easily because there is tons of things are utilized here. But small work, we have done some work in our laboratory. Since you have called a scientist as chief guest, so obviously I will go that way because I'm a working scientist. I feel more comfortable in working in lab than delivering a speech. So this you can see here. You know the rice husk? You know this or not, students? Rice husk is after you take out that rice, means that some yellow color cell is there. That is called rice husk. So once that contains a lot of silica, around 20% of silica is there in the rice husk. So can we utilize for some good purpose? That is the approach we tried. The plasma, you can see that it's a plasma processed rice husk. This materials contains a lot of valuable materials. Like this contains silicon carbide, which is a very top engineering materials. It also contains graphene. I did not know that time when I was working, but when now I could find out that it contains a lot of graphene also. And it contains also silica, high pure silica. I could show that. We have all done some work. You can see this color. This is, you can see that this is a silicon carbide. Probably you cannot see, it is a small quantity. And this is black color is graphene, and it is a olive green color, so that is silicon carbide, and it is white color is silica. So from one material, this waste, what the problem is coming there in Haryana and Delhi. So this can be converted to three useful, valuable products. Okay. So during I will tell about this thing. I don't want to take much of your time because it is already late. So with this, I conclude my talk. So, Jai Bharat Janani. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your lovely words. Your address was really enlightening. We have now reached the exciting moment of unveiling the souvenir for the International Symposium, ISEFMSSA 2025. I'd like to ask our female volunteers to bring forward the souvenir. I now request our esteemed dignitaries to ask us for unveiling it. Please, dignitaries. Please give them a hand. Thank you so much, dignitaries. Now, I'd like to request Honorable Vice President Pandal sir to felicitate our chief guest, Dr. Saroj Kumar Singh sir, with a token of love from GIET University. I also extend an invitation to our other dignitaries to join the felicitation. Now, we have reached the concluding point of inauguration. It is my pleasure to invite Dr. Puspanjali Sahu Madam, Assistant Professor at Bhadrak Autonomous College and the esteemed co-convener of ISEFMSSA 2025 to deliver the vote of thanks. Please, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. It is truly an honor to stand before you and express our heartfelt gratitude as we come to the closing of the inauguration ceremony of the International Symposium on Emerging Functional Materials for Sustainable Societal Application. First, I will express my heartfelt thanks to Professor Satya Prakash Panda, President, GIETU, Professor Chandra, Vice President, GIETU, Professor Jagdish Panda, Director General, GIETU, for the invaluable assistance to an organization of this program. GIETU, National Pharma, Vice Chancellor, Professor Rao, Register, inspiration. I thank the guest, Chief Scientist, Gupta, Senior for the available time. I am speaker who will functional material, especially for the students. I to the practitioner, Dr. Vishwajit Professor Tapun members of organizing event. I thank all staff of this event. I thank our sponsor. Participant and dear student.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your lovely words. Thanking all the dignitaries on the dais for their valuable words, other delegates, faculty members, research scholars, technical team, and student friends. We have reached the end of this inauguration session. Thanking you all for visiting this inauguration session. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. So this was for tea break followed by technical sessions at MD Auditorium. Thank you so much. All the students must report to their respective classrooms. Please. Respective classrooms, please, students.